Hi everyone, I'm Kyle Clark with P&S Detailing Products. And today we're going to answer the question, what is the best combination from P&S to clean and condition your leather surfaces? And the answer to this question is using Express Interior Cleaner with your favorite brush or mitt, followed by using leather treatment with your favorite applicator or microfiber towel. The leather treatment is key because it adds protection and moisture to the surface of the leather. It also is going to have UV inhibitors to make that leather last longer. I hope this answers your question to what is the best combination from P&S Detail products to clean and condition your leather. If you have any more questions, put it down in the comments below. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos here on the Rad Company's FAQ channel.